Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, go ahead and access your Shopee on your browser, designated browser, and then from over there sign in as well. Then simply go to the voucher section. Then you should, from over here, simply switch to voucher special over there on top. As soon as you've done that, you will find this kind of interface where you can see we're in the voucher section and we have plenty of vouchers to be used. Now, for you to simply use your promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee, you simply have to tap on the available voucher to be used. And if you're not being able to, then that means that you might have violated the terms and condition or you haven't agreed upon it. So simply tap on use beside the voucher that you would like to use, and then from another browser that it will redirect you to, simply scroll down to the bottom and tap on terms and condition. Then from over here, simply agree the terms and condition. You scroll down to the bottom, tap on I agree, and there you go. You will be agreed to terms and condition, and you will have no problem for your promotions to be redeemed in Shopify, and that's how you simply fix it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.